Here we are at the National Forest, just outside our bed and breakfast in the village of Oak Creek, south of Sedona, Arizona. This is our view after about a 5-minute walk. We started with the view of Bell Tower. I'm not sure what the next rock over was. Below us there is Pine Valley Village or something like that. And right down there, one of those rooftops you see is our B&B, which borders right up against the National Forest here. And we are just taking a quick afternoon walk. There's Dougie. We're probably going to just go right up here to the top of this. I don't know, but maybe farther. And that's the 360 from our vantage at the village of Oak Creek, south of Sedona, Arizona. Sending blessings to everyone, everywhere from this sacred, beautiful place.